Have heard your concerns, folks, for yourselves, for your parents, your grandparents, and relatives, all focused on a decision by Oregon's governor to reject federal guidelines and vaccinate teachers before seniors. Many of you calling in or writing to us, telling us your concerns. Lawmakers, even hospitals chiming in, worried the governor's decision is not based in science and that the move is setting unreasonable expectations. And that's why we are focusing on those delays tonight.
Now, you might remember back on January 12th, Governor Kate Brown announced a plan to start vaccinating everyone 65 and older, with those doses scheduled to become available last Saturday. Well, now we know another group is taking higher priority.
If we were to vaccinate every Oregon senior first, the unfortunate and harsh reality is that many of our educators would not get vaccinated this school year. I am asking these seniors to hold tight and stay safe for just a few more weeks.
Now, not everyone is on board with her decision. Teachers are worried that schools still won't be safe enough to reopen, while seniors say they have waited long enough for these much-needed vaccinations. We asked our Fox 12 John Hendricks to find out today what you and your family need to know. John?
Well, Pete and Bonnie, in sifting through all the information today, it can get confusing. The state doesn't have a central phone number that you can call to try to get an appointment for a vaccine, but they are working with 211, and right now that is the best resource to reach out to find some information. As the state moves closer and closer to vaccinating seniors against COVID-19, there are a lot of questions and some frustration around where to go to get an appointment. We've been getting constant feedback from you, the viewer, asking what the plan is. One viewer wrote in saying, "I'm so frustrated with our state right now. I'm lucky to have technology, but not all seniors do, and the websites are either too hard to navigate or they're not up to date on their information." Another left a voicemail. "Could you or anyone direct me to a phone number to make a COVID-19 vaccine appointment? The station keeps telling me who is eligible and when, but not a number to call and make an appointment anywhere." We've been asking the same questions and trying to find the same answers. What we can boil it down to is checking with your county's health department. They're all doing things a little bit different. For instance, in the Portland metro area, the county health departments halted an online survey because it was overwhelmed. People in Phase 1A without an appointment are asked to go to OHA's website. In the bottom right-hand corner, you can start a chat and try to get an appointment. The site, according to the Tri-County, can only handle 1,000 requests at a time. In Marion and Polk County, Salem Health is asking people in Phase 1A to get an appointment for the State Fairgrounds Clinic through their website, MyChart. Those without an account can go to the fairgrounds, but Salem Health says that they have limited walk-up appointments for first doses. So check their website or Facebook page frequently for availability. The hospital system says if you haven't gotten a second dose and are due, reserve a second dose appointment through MyChart. They are accepting unscheduled walk-up appointment for second doses. In Clatsop County, the health department is asking people in Phase 1B and Phase 2 to take a survey so they can plan on how to continue rollout of vaccinations. Now, OHA has a page on their website, which you can see on the right side of your screen. That breaks down by county on how you can learn more about vaccine clinics and what to do in your specific county. We'll, of course, post a link to that in the online version of this story at kptv.com. We don't have enough time to go into detail with every county that's out there. So right now, the best thing to do if you have questions is to reach out to 211 or go to their website, and they can kind of direct you on where to go from there. Coming up all noon tonight at 5:30, we're going to hear from 211, who is seeing an increase in the number of calls that they're getting with lots of questions. Now, the last thing to add here, the Oregon Health Authority is working on some guidance and some different resources for seniors and their families. They say that they plan to get that out over the next few days. Reporting live tonight, John Hendricks, Fox 12 Oregon.